Let's learn and draw 2D shapes. Circle, triangle, square, Pentagon, rectangle, octagon, circle, triangle, square, pentagon, rectangle, octagon. Let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color. Persian blue color, pastel yellow color, cool grey color, vivid green color, light violet color, ultramarine color. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.